one of our Sattvik food series, and my name is Vasundhara Talware. We're going to do a vegetable juice, something that you start your meal with. The vegetable juice which is full of fibers, the nutritious fibers that helps you to digest all that you're going to add further after you've had the juice, followed by a salad, followed by a cooked meal and your dessert. So let's begin. So what goes into the juice? Well, there are 5 ingredients that this juice is made up of. 1. Your Long Gourd, a carrot, a beet, a tomato and Indian gooseberries. Now all that you have to do is chop it and juice it. As simple as that. What you will need here is a chopping tray and a knife. Take a slice of the Long Gourd which is as thick as this. Cut it into halves, into 2 half moons, so that when you put it in the juicer, it juices well. Next, chop the carrot. All you have to do is take off the top. That's all. Same thing you do with the beet. Take off the tops on both sides. This is it. And then you do the same with the tomato. Chop it into halves so that they go into the juicer easily. And then it's the turn of the gooseberries. You do the same thing with the gooseberries. You take off the outsides until the seed is skinned completely. Alright, the chopped vegetables are ready to be juiced. The juicer that I'm using is that of the Panasonic. You may use any juicer that helps juice the vegetables easily. There are dime a dozen that you can find on Amazon. Pick one and make it your best friend on a daily basis. All you have to do is switch on the machine and start putting one piece of the vegetable in it at a time. Voila! And the juice is ready. As simple as that. Doesn't take more than a minute. And all you have to do is pour it with lots of love into your glass and sip your nectar of love. As simple as that. I hope you love this simple recipe that you must follow on a daily basis. This is food for life. The yoga way, the Sattvik way. If you've liked watching what I made just now, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button right there and follow me for all the amazing content coming your way. And if no one told you today, I love you. Mwah! And 2 gooseberries. याला gooseberries म्हणतात ना रे?
हाँ. What?
अरे वो मशीन का